Unraveling Spanner in the Works, a journey into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard before, a spanner in the works. This idiom is packed with meaning and history, and understanding it can not only boost your English skills but also enrich your appreciation of the language. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase truly means and how you can use it in your conversations. At its core, a spanner in the works refers to an unexpected problem or obstacle that disrupts plans or operations. Imagine a well-oiled machine working smoothly, and suddenly, someone throws a spanner, or a wrench, as it's known in American English, into it. The machine grinds to a halt, and everything is thrown off course. This vivid imagery captures the essence of the idiom, an action causing a plan or process to go awry. The phrase, a spanner in the works, is believed to have originated in the early 20th century. It's a quintessentially British idiom, with the word spanner being the British term for what Americans would call a wrench. The exact origin is somewhat murky, but it's thought to stem from the industrial era, where machinery and manual labor were prevalent. The idea of throwing a literal spanner into the machinery as a form of sabotage gives us the metaphorical use we see today. Understanding when and how to use a spanner in the works can be incredibly useful in everyday conversation. It's typically used to describe situations where unexpected issues arise. For example, we were all set for the launch, but the legal issues threw a spanner in the works. Just when we thought we'd solved all the issues, the weather forecast threw a spanner in the works. Notice that it's often used in the past tense, referring to an obstacle that has already occurred. However, it can also be used to speculate about future problems. While a spanner in the works is a widely understood idiom, there are other phrases with similar meanings that you might find useful. Throw a monkey wrench into is an American equivalent, painting a similar picture of disruption. Upset the apple cart focuses more on ruining plans or expectations, rather than causing mechanical disruptions. Rock the boat suggests causing trouble or disturbance in a stable situation. We hope this exploration of a spanner in the works has been enlightening and enjoyable. Idioms like this one are not just phrases. They're windows into the culture and history of the English language. By understanding and using idioms, you can add color and depth to your communication. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!